Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Java JDK on Linux Mint 21. I am going to install the latest one, that is Java JDK 22, but the process is same for all Java JDK 17, 21 or 22. First open terminal, search for terminal, click on it, verify Java version, Java -version. See, the default version comes with Linux Mint 21 is OpenJDK 11. It is the old version. So Ctrl L to clear screen. Open Firefox. Search for Java downloads. Click on Java downloads. See here we have JDKs for 17, 21 or 22. Suppose if you want to install Java JDK 17, you have to click on this one and you have to download the Debian package. Right click on it, copy the link. Okay, this is 17. For 21, click on this 21 tab, right click on it, select the copy link. For the latest version, that is 22, click on it. For Linux Mint, we have to select the Debian package. So right click on it, select the copy link, then go to the terminal, download it, wget, paste that link and hit enter. See, its size is 160 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. See, we have successfully downloaded Debian package. Then we have to install it. See here we have the JDK 22 Debian package. So install it by running the command sudo tpkg-i, then give the JDK, give the tab to autofill the Debian package and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. We have successfully installed Java JDK 22. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now type the Java -version. See, the version has been updated. Even if you want to set the Java home, use first verify the location of this JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine location. It will be installed in cd user lib ls. Go to JVM, cd JVM, ls. See, we have the JDK 11 and 22. So if you want to set Java home, use export pwd export java_home equals to, use this one, paste it, then copy this one, paste it, then we have to set the path variable equals to $path, then give the java home /bin. Okay, this is the way to set the java home variable. Hit enter. Okay, echo $java home. See, we have successfully set the Java variables, Java home variable also. Now we will see how to create Java program and compile it. Go to home directory. Let's create a sample Java file. Sudo vi first program .java. I2 insert mode. You can use nano also. See, give this sample code. I will keep this command in the video description. Save the file. Now we have created a program. First we have to compile. So command is sudo javac, then Java program file name. Hit enter. ls. See here it has created RTOSchools class name. Now run Java space RTOSchools. Hit enter. See, we got the same output whatever is there in this file. Let us add one more line to Java program. Sorry, edit it, shift A to go to the end and insert mode. Type System.out.println. Now I am going to add two numbers, 8.9 put semicolon, save the file. Now run the same Java R2 schools, but this will give the same old output like this. Welcome to R2 schools. Let us run. See, we got the same. After every time if we modify the Java program, we have to compile, then we have to run. So Java C, first program dot Java, hit enter. Now run Java R2 schools. This time we will get both the lines. See, we got the sum of the two numbers. Okay, this is the output. Also, after successful installation, you have to remove the downloaded Debian package. Remove JDK. Okay, so even if you want to set the older version as default Java version, you have to give the sudo update -alternatives -config Java. This typo. See, here we have the two versions, 11 and 22. Okay, if we give the 1, it will be the OpenJDK 11. Give the 1 and hit enter. Now type the Java -version. Now Java is 11. Again run the same command. Now give the 2. Now run the Java version. See, now Java version has been changed to 22. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install latest Java JDK on Linux Mint 21 version. For more Java or Linux Mint videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.